Welcome! This is a 15-minute yoga practice to help you find relief from sitting all day. We will flow and stretch, focusing on the areas of the body that tend to get tight and tense when you sit a lot. I hope you will leave this practice feeling refreshed and energized. So without further ado, let's get started. Stand at the top of your mat with feet hip distance apart. Ground all four corners of the feet into the mat and reach the crown of the head up to the ceiling, standing up nice and tall. Shake your arms out a few times to release the tension from the shoulders and area around the neck. Roll your shoulders back and down. Release your arms down by the sides. Take a big breath in to your belly, chest and side ribs. Exhale fully, drop the navel into your spine. One more deep inhale. Full exhale. With your next inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, look up. Exhale, bring your palms to your heart. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, stretch up, look up. Exhale, palms together to your heart. One more time, inhale, really reach up through the fingertips. Exhale, palms to your heart. Interlace fingers, all except the pointy finger. With inhale, lift your arms up, lengthen. Exhale, lean to the left for the side bend. Breathe here into the right side of the body. Try to look up from underneath your right armpit. With inhale, come back to center. Find more length in the spine. Exhale, lean to the right, stretching the opposite side of the body. Inhale, come back to center. Lean slightly back, standing back bend. Exhale, release your arms down and interlace fingers behind your lower back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, lift your heart up, lift your gaze, and gently pull your hands away from you, increasing the stretch on the shoulders and chest. Breathe deeply, with each inhale expanding the ribs. Release your hands. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, forward bend from the hips. Bend your knees slightly, grab the opposite elbows with your hands and sway your body side to side. Let your upper body hang heavy, shoulders, head, neck relaxed. Knees as deeply bent as you need to feel a nice release on the lower back. Release your fingertips down, bring your feet together, bend the knees for chair pose. Sit your hips low and reach your arms up alongside the ears. Shift your weight into the heels. Feel your legs, your thighs working here. One more breath, try to sit a little lower. Inhale in chair. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale halfway up, straighten the spine. Exhale, plant your hands down and step back into high plank. Shoulders above the wrists. Press the floor away with your hands. Hold here for a moment. With inhale, shift your weight forward into your fingertips. Exhale, bend the elbows lower down with control to your belly. Untuck your toes. Press the tops of the feet into the mat. Keep your elbows pointing back. With inhale, lift your chest up, small cobra. Exhale, forehead down to the mat. Inhale to lift. Try to use the strength of your back muscles, very little weight on the hands. Exhale, release back down. Keep moving with the breath, trying to come up a little higher each time. One more inhale, lift and stay here. Reach your arms back alongside the body, fingers pointing back. Keep breathing. Inhale, lift a little bit higher. And exhale, release everything down. Place your hands underneath your shoulders, tuck your toes under, and press back into downward facing dog. Walk your feet out a few times, bend and straighten the knees. Press the heels towards the ground one by one and find some stillness in downward facing dog. With your next inhale, roll your spine forward into high plank, shoulders above the wrists. Exhale, bend the knees, press your hips back and up, downward facing dog. Inhale, flow forward into plank. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. A few more times with the rhythm of your breath. Shift your weight forward into your hands and back into your feet again. One more round, inhale and exhale. With inhale, lift your right leg up to the sky. Exhale, step your foot between your hands and lower your back knee down for low lunge. Bend your front knee, reach your arms up to the sky. Press your front foot and back shin down into the mat, finding stability in this pose. Inhale, reach up through the fingertips. Exhale, bend the elbows, draw your shoulder blades down the back. Inhale, sweep your arms up, lengthen. Exhale, bend the elbows, draw your shoulders down. One more inhale, lengthen through the sides of the body. Exhale, draw your shoulder blades down. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, left palm down to the mat, right arm reaches up for a twist. You can stay here or for a bit more intensity, tuck your back toes under, lift your left knee from the mat. Inhale, twist and open a bit more to the ceiling. Exhale, right hand down, step back to downward facing dog. Same on the other side. With inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, bring your foot between your hands, lower your back knee down, reach your arms up, low lunge. Find stability here. And let's add the arm movements. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows, draw them down. Inhale. And exhale. One more time, sweep your arms up as you inhale. And exhale, draw your elbows down. Inhale, reach arms up. Exhale, right hand down to the mat, left arm up for a twist. Back knee down on the mat or lifted. Take one more big inhale. Exhale, left hand down to the mat, step back to downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale, lower down to the belly with control. For Sphinx pose, press the tops of the feet into the mat, position your forearms parallel to each other, elbows underneath the shoulders. Imagine you are dragging your forearms back and pulling your chest forward between the upper arms. With each inhale, try to lift your heart a bit more up. Exhale, squeeze the shoulder blades together. One more inhale. And exhale, bring your forehead down, reach your arms back like we did before, or interlace fingers behind your back. With your next inhale, lift everything you can from the mat. Legs, upper body, arms, forehead. Breathe here, reaching your knuckles back towards your heels, lifting up through the chest. The back of the body really engaged here. Good job. Release your forehead down, release your arms. Place your hands underneath the shoulders and press yourself back into child's pose. Your knees can be together or wider apart. Extend your arms long forward on the mat. Take a couple breaths. Feeling the broadness of your back, the length of your spine. Take one more big full breath in and a full breath out. And lift your upper body, coming into seated position. You can stay seated on your heels or cross your legs if that's more comfortable. Lower your right ear towards your right shoulder to stretch the side of the neck. Keep your shoulders down and away from the ears. Breathe in and out through the nose. Slowly change sides, lower your left ear towards your left shoulder. A few breaths on this side. Bring your head back to center, extend your arms out in line with the shoulders, make fists, and roll your wrists out, moving in one direction and then another one. This is a very simple move that feels surprisingly nice if your work includes a lot of typing and your wrists tend to get tight and tense. Release your arms and make your way into downward facing dog. With inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands down, tuck your toes under and lift your hips to the ceiling. Look between your hands, bend the knees, step or walk forward to your hands. Inhale, halfway up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward bend. Bend the knees, roll up to standing. On the inhale, reach your arms up. exhale, bring your palms to your heart. Close your eyes for a short moment. Notice how you feel in this pose now after 15 minutes of practice. Thank yourself for taking time to take care of your body and mind. And when you're ready, open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this practice and you are feeling better now. Let me know in the comments if you do. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye!